The 2022 BMW X5 is a flexible player in the medium-size extravagance SUV section, joining a very much named inside and a pleasurable driving involvement with one attractive bundle. Indeed, even the section-level models are lavishly furnished with present-day innovation and comfort highlights, also a sleek inline-six chamber motor. Moving up to the module crossover model empowers the X5 to drive exclusively on electric power for little excursions, while the discretionary twin-super V8 motor conveys truly punchy speed increase. It probably won't be essentially as rich inside as the Beginning GV80, nor very as athletic as the Porsche Cayenne, however when contrasted with SUVs, for example, the Audi Q7 and the Mercedes-Benz GLE-class the X5's balance radiates through, and for that it wins an editor's decision grant. What's going on for 2022? The restricted version dark vermilion model is new to the setup for 2022. This dark and red excellence highlights novel styling prompts as well as a large group of top-of-the-line elements, for example, merino dark, cowhide upholstery with red channeling, a glass shift handle, a fake calfskin main event, a calfskin-covered dashboard, and a Harman/Kardon sound system, to give some examples. It depends on the xDrive 40i model, and just 350 will be presented in the US, so in the event that it makes you excited, act rapidly. Somewhere else in the setup, the remote cell phone charging cushion is not generally offered, and the accommodation bundle, remote beginning, 4-zone programmed environment control, Wi-Fi area of interest, has been disposed of from the spec sheet for 40i models. Those section-level models are not generally presented with the discretionary air suspension by the same token. 2 new varieties are accessible for 2022, shimmering earthy colored metallic and Dravit dark metallic, and purchasers can now arrange the extravagant glass shift handle and control buttons as an independent choice. X5s wearing the S-Drive 40i or X-Drive 40i identification are fueled by a 335 horsepower turbocharged inline-six. The module crossbreed X-Drive 45e accompanies a turbocharged inline-six and an electric engine that consolidate for 389 drive. At our test track, that powertrain propelled a X5 to 60 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds. We've likewise tried the 40i, it dealt with a fast 4.8-second race to 60 miles per hour. To wrap things up, the M50i's 523 horsepower twin super V8 empowers it to hurry to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds.